The sealing robot line serves as core automated machinery for insulating glass manufacturing. Let's look at its major strengths. First, high precision positioning. Servo motors drive the sealing head to move back and forth, achieving accurate positioning for spacer bars and glass. This guarantees uniform sealant and precise overlapping. Second, multi-specification compatibility. It works well with 9A, 12A spacers, double glazing, triple glazed double cavity glass and more, coping with diverse market orders. Third, high automation and stability. Less manual work is required. Matched with the sealing robot, it lifts production efficiency and consistent product quality. Fourth, customizable solutions. With our independent technology, we can develop tailor-made IGU lines production and special machinery for clients. Many customers have asked, why does the sealing head forward-backward motor keep triggering alarms? To start with, sealing robot lines adopt either servo motors or stepper motors. Our machines are equipped with servo motors. These motors rarely alarmed in the past. The main cause comes from changes in production processes. In earlier days, factories mostly produced double glazing with many repeated sizes. The sealing head moved within fixed, simple travel ranges. Now residential market demand grows rapidly. Factories need to produce various glass types S, 9A triple glazed double cavity, 12A triple glazed double cavity, and double glazing with different cavity widths. The servo motor controls precise positioning. Constant frequent switching between positions for 9A spacers and 12A spacers means continuous high-frequency operation, which easily drains the motor's built-in battery. So when you encounter motor alarms, check the servo motor's internal battery first. Simply put, diversified products require frequent position adjustments. Long-term high-frequency operation drains the built-in battery and causes alarms. Inspecting the battery first is the fastest way to troubleshoot. We are making insulating glass machines, sealing robots, vertical glass washing machine, double glazing line for already 19 years with full of experiences. We are producing IGU lines, insulating glass machine, insulating glass argon gas filling line, insulating glass sealing robot line and all kinds of special shaped glass sealing robot, insulated glass household appliances with wire sealing robot. We have our own technology to supply you customizable IGU machines and lines.